Hey there, it's Ed Duncan from Eddie's Aquarium. Out here today with the Eddie's Pond team. Pretty big pond here. Natural pond. Homeowner had attempted to create a waterfall over on this side. Was having a lot of problems with it. Asked us to come in and pick up where he left off. So this is the end result. There are 6 fills, low voltage underwater light, pump on the other side by the dock, and line goes underground, comes back around, and here we are. If you're thinking about a pond or a water feature, give us a call, 518-783-3474. Press option 5 to come through to my mailbox. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.